Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of the box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you these items that you are now seeing that are comparable to the items I showed you at Pottery Barn at a fraction of the cost. So get you a cold drink, sit back and relax, and check out some of the comparables. Wait till the end. I do have a shopping haul, so I'll see you at the end.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, what I'm going to be doing a haul from Ross's. Now, the other day, I actually did a shop with me at Pottery Barn. So, what I'm going to do is show you some of the dupes look-alike that I picked up from Ross's. Then I'm going to come back and do another video where I will show you how I styled the Pottery Barn dupes in my home, okay? So I took you to Pottery Barn the other day, and yes, it is very expensive, and no, I did not buy anything, but I love going looking to see what they have, okay? So, as I told you, my channel is to give you that high-end look at that low-end cost. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the few items I picked up from Ross's. And previous to me showing you the haul, you've seen me shopping at Ross's, and I pointed out some of the items that I thought looked just like the ones at Pottery Barn, are close to it at a fourth or fifth of the price, okay? So my first item I'm going to show you is a couple of vases that I picked up that I thought was beautiful. And I picked these up at Ross's. And if you look at that Pottery Barn shop with me, you will see vases similar to this. I paid $14.99 each for these. If you look at Pottery Barn, they'll be from $49.99 to $99. $49.99 to $99. And this one I paid $14 for, okay? Another item that I did purchase at Ross's, you will also see it in the Pottery Barn video, and it's truly almost identical to the one in that video, and I paid $7.49 for it. And it was $39.99. Okay? So that was at Ross's. And as I said, what I will do, I will come back and show you all of these items that I have styled. Okay? Now, this is also another item I picked up at Ross's. I think it's beautiful. As you can see, it has the little edges on it. It was also on sale for $9.99. Beautiful. I have a couple of more that I want to show you. And again, if you have not seen the Pottery Barn Shop With Me video, please go back and check it out. So when I show you the video of how I styled these items to give them that Pottery Barn look, you'll have something to compare it to, okay? And make sure you watch that Shop With Me Ross's video that's coming up before this, because you will see all the items that I did not pick up that are comparable to Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn did have a lot of wood decor, so does Ross's, only at a fraction of the price. So if you love that wood look, wood accents, check out that video and go to Ross's and pick it up. I also picked up this cute little black candle. I could not help myself, and it smells really good. I love the little container it was in, and it was only $5.99. So cute. I also picked up this knot, and I'm thinking I paid maybe $3.99 for it because it also was on sale. Okay, so guys, these are the items that I did pick up for Ross's. These are the items that I will be doing a video on and show you how I have styled them, and they are lookalikes to Pottery Barn. Okay, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the items I picked up. And if you checked out that Pottery Barn video, tell me what you think, okay? This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.